Good morning. Am I interrupting your slumber with my coffee drinking? So much side-eye, really. I'm your mother. I don't think you care. Why are you crying? There's no tears. Why you gotta cry all the time? Oh, ow, ow, ow. No cries, okay? Yeah, I know. The toast is being toasted. Why are you so impatient? Here, you want an egg carton to bite on? Yeah, off you go. See ya. One way to keep him occupied. I mean, I'll have to pick up egg carton for an hour, but at least I can cook in peace. Oh my God, you're so picky. Try that one. There. Ugh, it's so sticky. Do you want me to turn it on? Do you want Charlie to go? Alexa, start Charlie.
Okay.
Is that your friend? Can we sit up here? We're gonna watch him together, see what he's doing.